Treasure Island! Sean and Alice here, behavioral experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And my phone is blowing up. We're here to show you this preview of this unit in one of my most favorite buildings in Panama City Beach.
Treasure Island.
Yes, it's got views looking down towards St. Andrews Park and then all the way up to the west end of the beach. But Alice, tell us a little bit about this unit before we run through the unit and then go down to the pools and the fitness area.
So we are at 1207.
Yep.
It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath listing provided by Bridgette Johnson with Vacasa Real Estate.
Thank you, Bridgette, for letting us do a buyer's agent preview of this unit. So let's get to the tour.
Yes.
All right.
Go on.
So we're gonna pop out to the front door here real quick. I want to show you guys like how close you are to the elevator from this to this front door of this unit. There's the elevators there. Here's the view from your balcony here. Of your front door. Got a great view of, see, like I was saying, all the way down to St. Andrews State Park. Legendary Marine right ahead. All right, let's get back into the unit now. So here we are at 1207. Right as we walk in, directly to the left is a laundry room. Where it also has the water heater. And then your air conditioner is in this closet here. Back at the front door, if we were to make a right, we have our first bedroom here. Got a closet. Standard size with a door going into the bathroom. Nice deep tub with a shower option there. We also have a towel closet in here. And then across the hallway, what's behind door number 1?
Oh, this chair.
We have a pantry. Great place for the trash can. And then Alice is kind of guarding the dining area.
Oh, don't forget the bunk room.
Oh, yes. This is clever. They have a bunk area in there.
You don't want to use that? You want to look at it? Use it.
Perfect.
Close it up.
Love it. All right. Now we have another closet here right next to the fridge. Another small like spice rack area. And then your kitchen. Everything looks fairly updated in the kitchen. Garbage disposal. And then your living room. We'll go out to the balcony in a second, but I'm going to bring you into the primary bedroom now. That also is on the Gulf side, so you have a Gulf view from this room and a balcony door slider and the bathroom that is attached to it. Here you have a double vanity. Nice walk-in shower here. Walk-in closet and a private water closet. Now, oh, I almost missed another little towel closet here right at the entrance of the bathroom. We will get down to the fitness center and the pool near the end of the video, but right now I want to take you out onto this nice oversized balcony here. Isn't that a picture of paradise?
The view's better on this side. Check that out.
The view's better. Yeah, it's kind of hazy today, but on a clear day you can see all the way to the west end of Panama City Beach. I really like this building for this specific view. Being able to look down the beach is a little more interesting than just looking across it to the water only. So looks like the pool is pretty crowded, so we may not be able to get up close and personal due to invading people's privacy. So we'll just take a look at it from up here. But earlier I didn't see anyone in the fitness room, so we will go down and check that out. I do want to mention that this pool is heated. And there's some more of the beach. All right, you guys, I want to just interrupt the video for a second to say if you like our content, please take a minute to give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. We're waiting. Thank you. Okay, now we can move on with the end of the video. We're going to show you the fitness room. And by the way, you guys, if you're looking to buy or sell a condo in Panama City Beach, Florida,
Give us a call.
I'm going to leave Alice's contact information below so you can get in touch with her. If you want to ask more questions about this unit or purchase it, she's your gal. All right, you guys, we'll show you the fitness room and then we are out. Bye for now. Okay, so this would be where you would pull up if you were checking in. There's a no parking area, but you can stop here to get to the rental office if you're checking in on site. Here would be the fitness center. And it says it's open from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Please use lobby entrance. Okay. Stand by. We're going to go into the lobby right now. So if you live here, you got a mailbox area here. And looks like you got a few treadmills here, stationary bike, some free weights here, and a pull-up station or pull-down station, whatever your pleasure. There's also one other area I'd like to show you guys. This is the owner's lounge. So if you have a little event, maybe it's raining outside, you want to get together with some of your friends and play some cards, this might be a nice place to do it. What are you stirring? What do you got?
Coffee.
We have Treasure Island coffee. Okay. All right, you guys, we're going to do this in the mirror. Thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you guys on the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now.